Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in Fiji doing a tour of my new house. So I'm actually on the new episode of Love Island, so make sure to check that out. Anyways, welcome, come on in. Actually, I've been here for maybe 10 minutes, so come on in. I'm shocked too. I'm gagged. So here we have another islander.
Hey.
Bombshells in the villa.
Hello.
Okay. Hello.
So come on down. Yeah.
What's your secret talent?
My secret talent is not being able to dance.
Hate that.
Yeah.
What's one of your favorite apps?
My favorite app is Hinge. I love finding boys on there to invite to my parties because you know what? I don't know how to talk to a boy in real life.
What was your last date?
My last date? When was my last date? Oh God. Why am I actually?
If you could eat one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be?
If I could eat one meal for the rest of my life, it would be pussy. I love pho. Pho is really good. So this is my room where I love to just chat up boys and show them my riz.
What's your favorite position? Basketball.
I look like a bitch with these glasses on. Come follow me, come follow me.
If you had to spend a day with one celebrity,
Illuminati. No, not If I can hang out with one celebrity, who would it be? I know, controversial opinion, but The Weeknd.
Oh.
Yeah. So here's the main area, you know, where I chat up guys and I flirt with them because I'm so good. If you guys didn't see me in the Jubilee Riz episode, I was nervous, okay? So let's like not base it off of that. But I promise you, I could chat him up. So yeah.
Dolphins or koalas?
What?
Dolphins or koalas?
Maybe dolphins because they hit it with a hee.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
The best gift I've ever received. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. This boy just bought me Drake concert tickets. He was like, oh! So over here is the beach. And actually when they casted me for Love Island, I had to take swimming lessons because I actually didn't know how to swim. So catch me in the beach, swimming in the ocean, maybe a little skinny dipping episode. Who knows? Just kidding. Guys, I'm still family friendly, okay? We haven't gotten there yet. A girl's not even 21 yet.
What's the most embarrassing thing that happened to you?
The most embarrassing thing that's happened to me? So one time I was hanging out with his boy and we were in a hotel room or whatever and I told him I had a shower, so I went to go shower, but before I did that I went on the toilet, right? And I, you know, did my number one, also did a number two. Instead of blushing, I was like, that's gonna be too obvious if I flush, right? Like, because then he's gonna be like, oh, this girl was definitely taking a... So I was like, I'm gonna do that after the shower. So I finished my shower and everything like that. And after I'm done, I forget. And he comes to the bathroom and he opens up the toilet seat. You know what happened next. Here, we have the fire pit. And we're actually doing eliminations right now. Say hi to the tour. So this is actually the new cast of Love Island.
Period. Thank you, bitch. Oh, no demonetization. Thank you, love.
Stop stealing my fucking limelight.
So over here is where I do my morning meditations. You know, gotta get in the right headspace.
Bicycle or motorcycle?
Motorcycle. I'm a moto mommy. Catch me in New York riding that bitch.
New York City or LA?
Honestly, New York all the way. LA's too slow for me. I feel like an 80-year-old retired person when I live there. Oh, look how beautiful this is, guys. Catch me going in for a dip later. Who wants to join? Just kidding. I know you guys are watching this right now. Like, who are you, girl? You're so out of pocket. And to that, you're right.
Who's the last person you text?
The last person I text was Joe Mom. So this is where I make my breakfast every single morning. You know, oh, there's water in there, babes. Didn't mean to do that. So over here, this is where I keep all my snacks. And fun facts, they actually can move these drawers and they can put the food in there so that like when they don't want to see us because they're sick of us, they can put the food in there and then they can provide for us. You know, we love a man that's so providing and caring. And in here, we have the body armor, the Celsius, and the Alani Nu. Welcome to my fridge tour. Where should we go next? Come this way, come this way.
Looks like we have a performance. Who is this?
Beyonce.
Fiji.
Oh.
This Fiji version. Classy. Bougie, I'm a bad
So we have live performances all day long. We have the budget was big this season.
Let's do some rapid questions.
Okay, rapid questions.
Pick a number 1 through 7.
7.
What's your favorite color?
Red right now? Yeah.
Why red?
It's just the color of blue.
Best piece of advice you've received.
Honestly, be delusional. Wake up every single day thinking you're that bitch because you are that bitch. And I know everyone watching this video right now is like, whoa, she's acting different. You know what I'm doing? Manifesting because I will be on Love Island one day. One day, babe. Cheers to that. This is where I come every single day. And I don't miss a day. If you follow the spam account, you know that I'm on my shit. You know that I'm on my workout grind. And I do my...
What's the song you can listen to on repeat.
Why by Dominic Fike? This is actually one of the new bombshells on Love Island.
I'm a bombshell.
Catch him
Mostly
on there.
bomb.
Your affirmation for today.
My affirmation for today is you are so ew.
I'm blocking your butt.
Oh.
I don't want the perverts to get this free content.
I am loved. I am liked. I attract all the hot men. Oh.
The Hideaway.
The Hideaway. Sorry guys, don't want to break the rules.
Can you give us a room tour?
A room tour? Of course I can give you a room tour. So this is where all the magic happens. And by magic, I mean I'm celibate. Come on in.
What's your favorite smell?
Actually, my favorite smell is Jazz Club by Mason Margiela.
Your
Mom is
favorite
back.
book?
My favorite book is Atomic Habits by James whatever his name. My dream job, I'm living her right now, duh. We're so grateful to be living the dream life. We're in Fiji right now, filming the most gag Love Island video for what reason? I'm literally out here acting like the main character right now, even though y'all know this ain't even how I act. So the fact that I can just switch personalities and y'all are watching, living the dream life. She's gagged too. We live in the dream life in Fiji right now. The fact that there's the ocean in the background is absolutely insane. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, truly, because I actually would not be here without you guys.
She was struck by my beauty.
It's 4 a.m. on a Saturday night. What would you eat?
Probably a bacon, egg, and cheese from the bodega.
Best thing to do on a first date.
Best thing to do on a first date is fuck. Right, let's go. All of a sudden I got a UK accent. Let's keep it going. Alright, so I don't know where I picked this up from, but I kind of love it. You know, I'm just manifesting the new season, that's all. Isn't it right? So over here, I'm going to take you to the makeup room where I do my beat every single day and get ready with me. Alright, so over here we have this. Actually, this is so gorgina. I'm not going to lie, guys. I know I've been joking this whole time, but like, I was in silence the first 30 minutes, right? They can't see your face. Yeah, I was in silence because I'm not gonna lie, I'm shocked. Like, this is not real, you know?
Best way to decompress.
My best way to decompress is honestly not talking to anyone for 2 months straight and hibernating.
What's your social security number?
It's actually none of your fucking business.
If you could pick a fruit to eat for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Probably rambutan. I love rambutan. It's Vietnamese.
The ass is big, girl. Did you get a BBL?
Yeah, that's how I'm so skinny. Actually, Kim referred me.
Can you take Ozempic?
So this is where I get ready every single morning.
What's your most viral tweet?
My most viral tweet is, I don't fucking use Twitter. What am I, millennial? Just kidding. Love you if you use Twitter. I'm just being controversial right now, but I actually don't have Twitter. This is where I wake up every single morning, and I'm just, you know, so grateful for the life that I live. Have you subscribed yet? Guys, I have to tell you about this nightmare that I had, okay? I don't know about you guys, but whenever I take naps, I have the worst nightmares ever, okay? I don't know, it's just like the midday nap always just triggers something in my brain. And I woke up from this nap and I was literally sweating. But you wanna know what the nightmare was? Sorry, I just get a little bit overwhelmed. The nightmare was the fact that 60% of you watching this video right now aren't even subscribed. Yeah, I can click on the comments down below and check if you're subscribed or not. Fun fact. If you're subscribed from this video, subscribe right now. It's not too late. And comment down below. I will like your comment. Let's comment down below. Peacock. Peacock.
What's your favorite fast food restaurant?
My favorite fast food restaurant is probably
Chick-fil-A.
I actually just love McDonald's fries.
Me too.
You know, I was obsessed with Chick-fil-A for a really long time, but then I realized that they don't like gay people and I do.
Oh! Fuck Chick-fil-A!
Anyways, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And no, but for real though, if you guys like these stupid little, not stupid, I'm not gonna say that to myself, daily affirmations. You're so smart, you're so loving, you're so magnetic. But if you guys enjoy these interesting type videos, let me know in the comments. And also give it up for Miss Totsy.
Wait, let me make sure I look good.
Oh, you do look good, you always look good. Okay, for being the narrator and Xavier. For filming.
Not shy.
Not the shy boy.
Not shy.
For real though, give it up for them in the comments. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe. And I can't believe we're in Fiji right now. And I actually love you guys so much. Follow the Instagram for all the snapped up pics. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.